Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a special opportunity today. We're so excited about this quilt. This is called Pumpkin Lane, designed right here by our team. And we use Daisy Lane by Kansas Troubles. People love their fabric. And they designed for Moda. So we get to see all of these beautiful fabrics working in harmony with each other in this amazing patchwork. And then this beautiful vine with all the prefused and laser cut shapes that make up our pumpkin, right? Pumpkin Lane in combination with Daisy Lane. You get the idea of how we came up with that. We introduced a quilt like that, similar with Flower Girl by Heather Briggs, a completely different palette. Actually, it was pastels, where again, we had all the beautiful fabrics working in harmony. We had a beautiful vine, and it was actually kind of daisies and pastels. People loved it. And this is made with the 10 Sisters grid. Be sure to check out that video. That makes a beginner look like a pro, where you have a grid that's on point. You're laying out all your squares, ironing them down, and then sewing it together. It's foolproof. It's incredible. And it goes together so quickly. And again, because this is prefused and laser cut, this project can come together so much faster than you might think. Now out here we have our beautiful scallop. We did that with the Scallop Vines and Waves tool, which is also a video we filmed. You can check that out as well, or you can just leave your border straight as you wish. Now you might have noticed there's another project on the table. What is that about? Well, we decided to put in 4 of the on-point grids in your kit. And the reason we took that opportunity is because you have so much extra leftover squares, as well as the fabric here, and even the binding and backing to make a coordinating project. How fun is that? You're getting 2 kits basically in one. A beautiful quilt to display, maybe throw over a quilt, as well as a coordinating runner for the table. How lovely is that, to be able to have these coordinating projects? That fabric is still being shipped to us right now. So what we're doing today is giving you a chance to reserve your kit, as well as your backing, and that's the thread set. Moda makes these fabrics just once. We cannot add to the amount of fabric we ordered. So if this is you and you're like, I have to have this, just stop the video, go to the website to reserve that kit, the backing, and the thread set. You definitely want to do that. This one's going to fly out the door. Now the rest of the things that we used are on the set, and again, a reminder when you get your kit, if you want to have that scallop border, just grab the Scallop Vines and Waves. You can get that now, start reading it, practicing it, so when you get your kit later on, you're ready to go. As a reminder, to reserve this a beautiful quilt kit, it's just a $10 deposit, $5 for your backing, and then your thread set as well. So just a small deposit today to just have the peace of mind of knowing that you're going to get one of the limited quantity kits we'll have available. So rulers, of course, are here, but they don't play as big of a role in this project as they do with a project that is precisely pieced. Remember, this is all happening with a grid. It's doing all the work for you. It's nice to have a good ruler here to cut your long strips, of course, as well as your outer border. But rulers aren't playing as big of a role in this project as they do in some of the others. It's nice to have the light box and the applique mat. If you'd like to go ahead and pre-assemble those pumpkins, and we do have full-size layout diagrams in your kit to be able to really lay out these long sections of the vines, the leaves, and the pumpkins. These are the other notions, the things you would normally expect, of course, right? Good patchwork pins, the fresh needle, of course, a good thread. But the most important thing, anytime, especially when we're saying the M word for Moda, because we know they don't print more fabric. These collections happen one time and then it's over. So head to the website now to reserve your kit, your backing, your thread set, the Scallop Vines and Waves template, and anything else you might need. I'll see you soon.